Students, in chapter 8, that is heading as more MSW logo commands, there are only few of the commands we have already learned. Here we are going to start that how to draw different kinds of shape. Previous classes or in our previous MSW logo class, we learned that how to draw circles or other shapes by using the repeat command. If you give repeat command, then only by giving the how many number of steps it just work, and what is the giving the FD or RT, those specific numbers, we can draw the circles. So here only circle is a specific command. By using this command and giving the radius of the circle, the radius of the circle, we can draw a circle. So here the definition is as given that circle command draws a circle based on the turtle's position and the given radius. We just take the turtle's position is in the center, and so you have to give the radius. You have to mention the radius of the circle. The current turtle position will be at the center of the circle. For example, a command circle 60 will draw a circle with the turtle at the center. So look at the screen. The turtle is now at the center of the screen. Only I will give the command circle and also 60. That means radius will be 60. So how it works? Give circle, then only if I give 60, radius will be 60. If I give 100, radius will be 100 to this way. See, I have given 60. If I give, again the turtle is at the center of the screen. Circle, to draw a bigger circle, radius will be bigger, 100. See, in this way you can draw more circles together. Understood the function of the circle command? Next, that has given that how to draw ellipse. The command itself ellipse, but here little bit different with the circle command. What is that? Ellipse command is used to draw ellipse based on a turtle heading, turtle position and the given radius. Okay. The current turtle position will be at the center of the ellipse. So normally the turtle position is at the center of the screen. So no problem with that. The size of ellipse is based on the minor and major values. Minor is the shortest distance along the ellipse to the center point. Major is the largest distance or the longest distance along the ellipse center point. So let's see how it works. Ellipse command. So now we work with the ellipse command. So here I have written the command ellipse, along with the two numbers are there. One is the shortest distance along the ellipse to the center point. Another is the longest distance along with the ellipse center point. So that is 20 and 40, and such kind of ellipse has come. So one has to be shortest distance, one has to be longest distance from center of the screen sent to the along with the ellipse. Okay. As like next is arc command, ARC. This command draws an arc based on the turtle head, turtle position and the given radius. For example, if you give ARC angle and the distance, that means same things I have written there. 60 means what will be the angle of the arc, and next is 100 means what will be the distance between the turtle. Obviously the turtle is at the center of the screen. What will be the distance between the turtle and also the arc? It is 100. That's why arc 60 and 100. So that kind of things has come on the screen. If you change it little bit, let's see what happened. Now I have given 100, 100. This type of arc has drawn there. So you just practice that kind of things many times, then you can find out the difference between different kinds of arc when you are drawing this. So practice such kind of things again and again from the beginning of this chapter till this. Next class we start from page number 90, where the function of pen up, pen down, etc., pen erase, these things has given. Okay. So this much is for today. Thank you.